Water, one of nature's most powerful elements, and the inspiration behind Speed Queen Perfect Wash, our revolutionary wash action that delivers our best, most gentle wash ever. By using rotation, water gains momentum like a wave, then reverses direction, moving the water through every fiber of your clothes. As the water changes course, clothes get cleaner with a thorough yet gentle action. By engaging the natural momentum of water, we dramatically increased how evenly clothes are washed through the entire tub. The result? A more effective wash that won't damage clothes. It cleans better, is gentler on fabrics, and the technology driving the wash system is smarter and more efficient than ever before. Experience a new level of clean, inspired by the power of water.